Gusto ka pa din, malapit na. So isipin mo ha, kung lagi mo lang ikukulong sarili mo dyan, hindi ka lumalabas, hindi ka talaga mag-grow. Par, 30 years, 40 anyos ka na, ayaw pa rin kumilos. Bahala ka dyan. Patingin nga lang ngiti ng tano, best friend ko. Nakalamputang ilang ngiti yan, oh! Where you at, boy? Where you at? Singapore! Go, 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 go! Yeah, let's go! Let's go! Tangina par! Nasa Port Avenue lang tayo. Nasa Port Avenue lang tayo dati. Umiinom, nag-trip lang. Diba? Par, pare-pareho lang kami sumusugal palagi. Memories tong video na to par. Pukin ang ina talaga. Simula diba? Na, simula. Oh yeah! So what up Singapore? So I got recipe tote bag. Exactly. I got blue, I got green. See that? Diba? Oh yeah. Check it out. So I got green. Angas! Ito naman par. See that? Angas diba? I got 1 quart. Yes sir. Yes sir. Siyempre, I got the red one. So I got locally made snack back. Siyempre. Got premium. I got 1 quart. Siyempre, angas siya par. Diba? Imagine mo par, Singapore pa yan, no? Yes sir. Yes. Siyempre, I got the red one. Angas oh. Diba? Yeah. Diba? Angas siya pa. Ito naman. Diba? I got green brim. Yes, siyempre. At naman tayo. Baby blue. Dodger color. Angas par. Diba? Diba? Angas par oh. Yeah. Parang ibang klase ng happiness ko. Alam bakit? Hindi mo naman yung best friend ko. Okay na ina para. Hello, sarawi na din sarawi oh. Yeah. What's that? Malapit na yan. Malapit na yan. Makapag-book din tayo dyan. Malapit na yan. Siyan mo lang. Sa ngayon, mahalaga. Singapore tayo, best friend. Happy ako. Happy, happy, happy. Yung mga tropa ko, ano pa eh. Nagkatrabaho pa sa Yarde. So, abang lang ulit sa mga clips natin. Ito, pupunta ng Japan oh. Yeah!
Kunyari na daw, nasa atin lang.
Paro.
Tapos biglang boom! Singa!
Yeah!
Sa amin nagsushoot.
Singapore par! Sama tropa! Gumagawa ng millions!
Saan kami nagsushoot?
Parang ito kayabang paro. Just a few minutes. Side, correct? Just and after I close here, I'm gonna hold your hand. So good to you. Okay, that's gonna go. Right? 3, 2, 1. Hey! Oh yeah! Last time I went here, kasama ko sila Dog Brock, TMP Boys. So ngayon, may minisyon na kami dito. Tapos na ako mag-shoot ng product ko. Then, syempre, pag uwi ko, kuha ko itong pera. Yo, check bro kung gaano kagago yung LB Island. Naka-separate talaga sila. Dali raw, tira mo raw. Di ba LB Island?
Ano na?
Yung LB Island, gaano kagago?
Apple din naman naka-separate ah.
Di ba?
Kaya sa kanila pala yun. No?
Tsaka lang raw, thank you. So, tignan mo, tignan mo LB Island. Yo, look at me. So, tignan mo LB Island, no? So, pag galing kang mall, ilalim na dyan pa. Sa separate. Ganon kagabi LB Island. Picture.
Portrait, yan ganyan. Okay pa sa akin yun. Lagyan sa fly.
Ang gago, naging vlogger, oh. Pumunta na ng island, oh. Ayun, oh. Layo na lang gago, oh. Ang init dito. Layo ng gago.
Rice.
Wait. Napulot mo?
Yeah, I'm a lucky guy.
Oh, malilibre ka, ha? Fried rice?
Fried rice.
With luncheon meat?
Fried
Yung Apple store ng... Yun, Apple store din sa Singapore. Hindi mo gano'ng kalaki. So, nasa ilalim ng dagat ngayon.
So we're going to move on to the next feature of the video. It's meant to record something that takes a really long time and you can't speed to it.
Gano'ng kagabi
Slow motion is something that happens very quickly and then it's just like that. Takes a little time. Some examples of slow motion in YouTube. I want to highlight to everyone here. To make your slow motion even better is to focus on the second row, right here. Now if you look carefully, especially if this is your first time editing a slow motion video, you'll notice that the first half have the lines very close together at eye level, so like here. On video, everybody? Okay, so you should notice that when you're on video, everything is clear. You're clear, background is clear. Now tap on cinematic and share with Shamin, Rini and I, what differences do you see? Yeah, what happens to your background? What happens to your background? It's a lot clearer. But if you drop it down to 2.0, what happens? It's like, man, you can't see anybody, it's all blurred, right? So the next time you do your vlogs, or you record your loved ones and your friends, or you use cinematic mode, you have this control, okay? Now next thing that we're going to show you is my favorite thing about cinematic, and that's the ability to shift the focus from one person to the next. You notice that? As soon as she steps into the scene, the focus is on her. She's seen.
Tayo na ba ang astig niya, par?
Yeah. Go to my channel and then tap and then...
Yeah.
So it's very distracting. Change to that person so that the audience knows who's behind.
Yeah.
After editing, so I can actually use my finger to just tap on.
See that? So what if I can go back here?
Go for cocktail, gin.
Some of my friends send me black stone to dining Friday, but
Give me a video of my video.
yeah, I think 10 times if I want to buy that on the black market. But the best thing is yes, I have a flight on Singapore, so personally go here to
Yeah.
Hey! Chill.
So payo kami konti, natin namin mga tropa.
It's your boy. Bugoy na ko. Yeah. Relax muna kayo dyan.